The property page is where you can see all information and listings related to a single property. When you access this page, you immediately see the kind of property and general data about it, such as current asking price, characteristics, sales status and rent status, days on the market, among others. You also have access to a button to perform a comparative market analysis based on this property characteristics. On your left side, you see images of the property and its location on a map. Looking down on the same page, you can see all the listings and characteristics advertised for this property on the market. It's also possible to access the original ad in case it's still active. Find out similar properties in the section Comparable Properties. Below it, you find a section with charts that show information about the area and this kind of property. It's also shown the history of the property, where you can see chronologically all changes and movements that happen to its listings. Information such as when was the property listed by an agency, when there was a price change, and others can be found here. Finally, there's CASAFARI Connect, identified by the symbol of a handshake. CASAFARI Connect shows properties listed by agencies that are willing to share commissions. If you want to find out all about this feature, check the video about CASAFARI Connect. For more information, contact us through our chat or email us at support@casafari.com.